friends, welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon. Today our topic is tile manufacturing process. Let's go into the video. Here we have 5 main contents. First one is a brief outline manufacturing process. Second one is process flowchart. Third one is process control critical checking. Fourth one is incoming raw materials testing. And fifth one is understand some critical end properties. First of all, we discuss about brief outline of manufacturing process. Once the raw materials are approved and unloaded in raw materials pad, a number of steps take place to obtain the finished product. They are batching, mixing, spray, drying, forming, glazing, and etc. Here we have a flowchart. You can know more about the process of manufacturing the tiles. First process is batching. For many ceramic products, the body composition is determined by the amount of raw materials. The raw materials also determine the color of tile body, which can be red or white in color. Here we have a more information, you can learn something. Second one is mixing and grinding. This step grinds the ingredients, resulting in a finer particle size that improves the subsequent forming process. Water is added to improve the mixing of multiple ingredients. Batch as well as to achieve fine grinding. This process is called wet milling, and here you have a more information. Now we discuss about spray drying. After wet milling, the excess water is removed via spray drying, and here we have a more information to know more about spray drying method. Forming or pressing. Tiles are formed by semi-dry pressing. In this method, the free-flowing powder containing organic binder or a low percentage of mixture. Here we have more information. Drying. Ceramic tiles must be dried with relative humidity and moisture at minimum level 0.3% before entering into the firing to avoid bursting. Glazing. To prepare the glaze, similar methods are used as for the tile body, and you can know more about by below information. Firing. After glazing, the tile must be heated to relative temperature. You can know more about by the below information. Coming raw materials testing. Residue or grit content, first one. Second one, flow or density, third one, fire shrinkage, and etc. are given below. A brief understanding of some critical end properties. First one, linear thermal expansion. Measure from ambient to 100 degrees Celsius. We have more information. Watching our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.